Welcome students to e-learning Standard 9 History and Political Science Chapter 1 Sources of History. Sources of history. We can study history with the help of various sources like written sources, oral sources, material sources, sources in audio-visual medium. In modern period, we have to take note of various sources at the regional, state, national as well as international level. We can write history with the help of these sources. Written sources are of different types: newspaper, periodicals, diaries, reference book, correspondence, documents in the archives, government gadgets, postage stamp, encyclopedia. Archives. The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. The main office of the National Archives of India is at New Delhi. It is the largest among the archives in Asia. Newspaper. Newspaper is considered as fourth pillar of democracy in the modern period. It is a major medium of information. From 1961 to 2000, there was no alternative source for print media. It provides information about national and international affairs, politics, art, sports, literature, and social and cultural affairs. Newspaper contain matters related to human life. It also has regional edition. It has supplements about information of various topics. Important prime media, newsletter of various movements, the diaries or weeklies of political parties, monthly and annual magazines, yearly supplements help us to understand important events of the year. Press Trust of India. After 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and of articles on important subjects. Press Trust of India has provided reports, photographs, and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspaper. PTI has now started its own online services. During 1990, PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send news all over the country. This material is important for writing the history of India. Postage stamps. Postage stamps don't reveal anything on their own. Historians make them speak. There are many changes in postage stamp since independence. Postage stamp reveals about changing times due to variety in the sizes of stamps, the novelty in their subjects and color schemes. Themes of postage stamps: flowers, animals, birds, political leaders. An event or silver, golden, diamond jubilee or centenary, bicentenary of different events. Therefore, it is valuable repository of history. Jal Cooper. Indian government issued the Jal Cooper stamp in 1977. He was an internationally acclaimed philatelist, that is, an expert on the subject of postage stamp. Born in Parsi household in Mumbai. He edited Indian Stamp Journal. He was founder of First Philatelic Bureau in India, an office that collected stamps. He founded the Empire of Indian Philatelic Society. He wrote many books on this subject. He gave scientific bent to his hobby. He played a pivotal role in taking the study of Indian postage stamp to the international level. Cooper was expertise of philatelist at the international level. Postage stamp on John Cooper is an important source to understand his significant contribution to this field.